I was a kid. I was living in the Lower East Side, and the first film that I really saw about India was Pate Panchali by Satyajit Ray. And I realized it was a film that was made by Indians, for the world, not through other cultures.
Words, words, words.
Words, yes, it
Yes.
is. It is. But why can't you have interesting words? Why can't you make people listen to words? Why shouldn't they? I have seen plays by, well, Little Foxes is an example, William Wyler, which is 12 angry men in one room. I had 4 or 5 rooms in one large public meeting place, but 12 angry men is just one room. It's because the words are so interesting, the characters are so interesting, the development is so interesting that it holds your interest. What more do you need? I mean, it's cinematic already. It's plastic. You see, the human face is plastic. It's plastic. You photograph it that way. And you.
But will you say that cinema can be made with words?
I believe so. I have believed that ever since I saw some of the plays, some of the films made from plays, by really successful films made from plays. I have believed that with first-rate acting and first-class dialogue, you can achieve this. And tension between the characters. That's all you need.
I think in my early school days, my main interest was stars. I was really a film fan. And I used to read magazines like Picture Goer and Photo Play and Film Pictorial and things like that. But then, gradually, I think early years in college, I became more and more interested in the directorial aspect of filmmaking. I became aware of the director, and I was reading up on people like John Ford and Ernst Lubitsch and William Wyler and Frank Capra, and looking for their speciality in a film, their sort of special characteristics. I saw whatever John Ford films that I could get to see.
19th century stories like that, but I like not to repeat myself. Because there are so many genres that one wants to do. One just wants to find out how it works.
O amar desher mati tomar pore ঠেকাই মাথা ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠেকাই মাথা তোমাতে
Magnificent award, certainly the best achievement of my movie-making career. As a small schoolboy, I was terribly interested in the cinema, became a film fan,